Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are. So, as promised, after the mid-year planning workshop, I'll be sharing my new directions in the next few months. So, I went through the planning workbook myself. So, I reviewed the past 6 months, what my achievements were, and my struggles, mm, things that I want to do, and the things I don't like to do. So that's how I actually come up with a new direction for the rest of the year, basically. So just talk about the things that I will not focus in the next few months. So that will be the one-on-one consulting or one-on-one coaching. So I will still be doing one-on-one for small businesses and the existing clients, but I won't actually focus on one-on-one for coaches or course creator unless we have worked together before. So you probably have seen my email or social posts about my new WhatsApp coaching. So that is still through, that's still one-on-one, but it's through a messenger app. And I made this change because I don't really enjoy doing one-on-one coaching. So I can't help those who don't want to help themselves. I hope that makes sense. So I know I can help them step by step, tell them what to do, how to do things. But if the coaches themselves, they're not taking any action or they're not responsible for what they do, I can't help them. I can't push them to do the things that I want them to do, right? So I am kind of tired of the whole process. Keep chasing, keep follow up, where they should be doing the follow up themselves. I hope that makes sense. So I can't help them to implement or take action. So that's the reason why this is something that I don't enjoy. However, having said that, I understand that coaches will get overwhelmed and frustrated from time to time. That's normal, that's okay. And that's how we work things out together. So instead, I still offer WhatsApp coaching to see whether we're a good fit. We work, together for a bit of time. If we're a good fit, I'm happy to move forward to the like normal sort of one-on-one instead of just WhatsApp. But without working together, I won't actually take up any new coaching clients. Okay, so because this is something that I don't really enjoy, and that's the reason why I made that decision. So with the WhatsApp coaching, I know a lot of people actually having some questions about that, but I will explain that how it works in a separate post or separate email. Okay, so let's get to the exciting part. So, what I will be focusing in the next few months and also maybe first quarter of 2025, it is three things. Definitely my new all-in-one platform, the Simple Business Funnel platform, because it is like personally, I don't know, maybe I'm biased because it's my baby, but it's like simple to use, specially tailored built for coaches and course creators. And you can have your website there. You can build your landing pages. You've got e-com store. You can sell your digital product, or if you got physical product, and also email. It's actually built in. You can send email with like from the platform, so you don't actually need Zapier or Make or any other sort of like third party to integrate things together. So um, it's not a fancy platform, okay? It is simple to use. So I think a lot of coaches, that's what you only need. You don't need like fancy, complicated platforms because you will just get overwhelmed. And that is the reason why I actually have this platform. So this is something that I really want to focus on. So, well, this is like top of the head, like Simple Business Funnel platform. I want to grow this, but of course, there's a lot of things behind, like building my list. Maybe I'll do some Facebook ads, So that's a lot of strategy behind. But this is more like a big sort of like things I want to focus, the Simple Business Funnel. And then the next thing is the creation. So I don't know whether you're aware, I love creating things like whether it's inside Canva to do graphics or to do design, or actually create templates for funnels templates, website template, etc. And I was actually thinking about maybe, well, it depends on the time. I can't promise that, but besides the digital resources, I might do some physical product as well, but of course using this design. And then I don't know, because I am actually into creating things. So I like before I actually did a hobby and I made cards. I don't know whether like birthday cards, Christmas card, those like physical cards. I still got a lot of stock here. So I love creating things. I might be like a crafty person. So and I've got all like the machines and everything for like t-shirt, for mugs, tumbler, that's but I just don't have time to explore. So again, depends on the time. I might want to do a bit of physical product as well. So with the digital product that I create, I can also put them on Etsy. So yeah, I can kill two birds in one with one stone, basically. So, yeah, so the creation will be something that I want to focus. And then the last thing I want to focus, remember in the planning sessions, I talk about three things to focus. So, AI is going to be big, whether you like it or not, it's here. And also, as you know, I love creation. So I love the idea of AI. So I want to spend more time in AI so that I can create more unique, let's say, sales pages, landing pages, or websites for my clients. And also, I will share the template in the simple business platform as well. So I would like to build some unique pages instead of like more generic page. So I want people to look at the page and straight away they remember the design, they remember who you are. That's very important. So even if people don't buy, at least it's in their head. Yeah, I've seen that sales page. It's beautiful. It's like unique. So that's what I want to achieve at the end. So I will focus a lot on AI again, because as you know, AI is actually take time to tweak, to try different prompts to come up with different visuals. And again, you need to test and try probably a lot of different variations before I can get like the one that I like. So yeah, so if you look at that, it's actually linking together the simple business funnel, creation, AI, this all linking together. So these are the three things I would love to do or focus in the next few months and also maybe first quarter. So definitely I will do another review at the beginning of next year or at the end of this year. So stay tuned. And also, if you got any questions about, let's say, the platform or any sort of creation AI, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help. And also, as I said, I will explain more about the WhatsApp coaching. So thank you so much for listening in. So any question, let me know. Otherwise, I'll speak to you in the next video.